Hello student, this is the second video of lesson 12 transport. We are already discussed about roadways. Now we will discuss about railways. Railways are one of the most popular means of transport in India. They were introduced by the British. Trains are used for carrying bulky goods over long distances. They are also convenient for traveling short and long distances. Goods trains carry raw materials to factories and industries. They also carried finished product to different parts of the country and to the ports of for export. Export माने कि देश के बाहर. Railways play an important role in the growth and development of industries in every part of the world. India has the largest network of railways in Asia and the fourth largest in the world. USA has the largest network of railways in the world. In Europe and in North America, the railway network is very well developed. The long distance railway lines that connect cities on the Atlantic coast with those of the Pacific coast are called transcontinental railways. Countries like the USA, Canada, and Australia have such large railway networks. Japan, China, and France have some of the fastest train in the world. दुनिया में सबसे अधिक फास्ट जो ट्रेन चलती हैं वो जापान, चाइना और फ्रांस में चलती हैं. They run at a speed of over 430 किलोमीटर per hour. An underwater railway tunnel line links France with the United Kingdom. Shatabdi and Rajdhani are the two superfast trains in India. Nagoya Station in Japan, world's tallest railway station. There are four types of trains running in India. Number one is passenger trains, which carry passengers. Number two, goods train, which carry goods. Number three, local trains. Local trains are running in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Delhi. They are running in the cities from one place to another. Now, next fourth number train is metro. An city railway system is called the metro. London, New York, Tokyo, Moscow, etc. have the metro system. In India, Kolkata and Delhi have the metro train service. Now in Lucknow also there is a metro train service. These trains run in urban areas either on elevated or underground tracks. Now our next topic is water transport. The earliest means of water transport were rafts and boats. The increase in trade and population demanded improvement in means of water transport. So new U-boats fitted with steam engines were built. These boats were later called ships. They could carry more goods and people and even more faster than rafts and boats. Today big ships run on diesel and steam engines. They carry materials and finished goods from one place to another. Heavy cargo such as goods, grains, raw materials, and mineral ore are carried by ships across the oceans and seas to different parts of the world. Oil is carried by special ship that is called tanker. Water transport is cheaper than the other means of transport. This is because unlike roads and railways, water transport required no road or tracks but only ports for loading and unloading the goods. Water transport plays an important role in trade and commerce between countries. India has a long coastline, माने कि तटरेखा भारत की बहुत बड़ी है. Some of the important ports in India are Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Haldia, Paradip, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Kandala, Marmagao, New Mangaluru, and Nahava, Shiva. In India, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and some other Indian rivers are used as inland water transport. तो इंटरनेशनल ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए शिप्स वगैरह यूज़ होते हैं, उसी तरह से सी के लिए, और उसी तरह से हम ब्रह्मपुत्र और गंगा रिवर में भी इनलैंड वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट है, मतलब देश के अंदर. The lagoons of Kerala are also used for the purpose of transport. Now, some major routes, sea routes of the world are the North Atlantic route. Number one, it links Western Europe with North America. It is the busiest sea route in the world. माने सबसे अधिक व्यापार, सबसे अधिक ships जो आते जाते हैं वो इसी रूट से जाते हैं. Now number two is Suez Canal route. It links Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. This canal was built in 1869. Now next, number 3 sea route is Panama Canal route. The Panama Canal joins the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. It was opened in 1914. Rivers such as Huanghe in China, the Rhine and Danube River in Europe, the Nile and Congo in Africa and the Amazon in South America are used as waterways. इन नदियों का भी प्रयोग पानी मतलब जल यातायात के लिए होता है. Now that's it. That's all for today for this video. Now we will meet in next video, that is we discuss about air transport and disadvantage of means of transport. Thank you. Bye.